everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a pre-owned boat that we had come in on trade. This is a Crest Classic 22. It's powered by a Mercury 150 on the back with the turbo swing ski pylon. Entry and exit ladder right there, entry and exit door right there. A nice little spot to measure your fish right here. You can use it as a cutting board, things of that nature. Back here we have two very comfortable captain's chairs. Another spot with cup holders and a speaker right there. Right here we have some of the storage, access to the batteries, rod storage right there. Right here in this seat, once you lift it up, you have a live well. Then you come over to this seat right here. Battery access with the battery switch and additional storage. Then under each of these seats, there's storage throughout the entire boat. So huge amount of storage in there and in there and up front right there. Going to the helm, we have your tachometer, also your voltmeter, your fuel, all your switches right here. Notice right there we have a cooled cup holder right here. Master power docking lights, fusion stereo control. There is a total of 4 speakers on this boat. I had to look around real quick. On-off switch, of course, your fire extinguisher right there. This boat is priced right. With the trailer, this boat's going to be right around $60,000. I didn't even point out the bimini top. Nice, large bimini top canvas. Give you a nice amount of shade in the boat. I'll go ahead and walk through one more time so you guys can see everything. Oh, this boat does come with a trolling motor with a quick release bracket. If you do not want to use that, you can very easily remove it. But here's some of the seats again up in the front. This is about probably a 12-foot section right here. You can fit plenty of guests on board this boat. Nice little table that flips out with additional cup holders. More seats back here. You can comfortably fit 2 or 3 people. And of course the captain's chairs. 3 more people back there. So you guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax. Give me a call if you have any questions. My cell phone number is 936-223-6770. This is MarineMax Houston. You can come by and see us and we'll be happy to show you the boat. Thank you.